Okay, so we are doing a little work on the truck here. I had a mirror break earlier today. I'm testing a new Rode lapel microphone that I got. The mirror got hit by a 2x4 while we were moving some debris, garbage around, and so Jacob had a couple of extra mirrors. He just put on some fancy new ones on his truck, so he gave me these older ones that were on his truck. They're an upgrade. They're XLT mirrors, and I had just the XL mirrors. So bye-bye mirror, and now back to our regularly scheduled audio. What I have here is my very able assistant Jacob is going to put these mirrors on, and they have power connections and stuff, so I'm going to have to get some switches for my door to be able to use it. And that works out because Jacob just bought these fancy new mirrors for his truck. And so Jacob is obviously very proud of his truck. F350, F350, crew cab, long box, 7.3 liter diesel. He's got, the Fox shocks with external reservoirs. He's got beefed up springs. Nice big sway bar. And so he's got his truck dressed up very nicely. How big are your rims, Jacob?
Huh?
How big are your rims?
18 by 12.
18 by 12s. So Jacob's going to put these on for me. Those are his old mirrors, and I have no problem with hand-me-downs. Hand-me-downs from my young nephew. So anyway, he's working away on it, and we'll give you the report when it's all done. And I've warned Jacob not to fall into the seat there. There's a cavernous hole in it. I need to get some new upholstery in here too. It's a work truck. What do you expect? That's the Torx, ain't it?
No. Feet.
Okay. Okay, so we will give you the full report once my mechanic has finished performing the surgical procedure and replace the mirrors on my doors. This is kind of exciting for me because these are bigger mirrors which will come in nice and handy for when I'm driving around with the truck camper. Having the mirrors extend out a little bit gives me much better side vision than what I have had. And then I'll have to take a look at what the switching is. Where do the switches go on that mirror control anyway?
Well, you usually be like right here.
Got to pull the wiper.
What?
You got to pull that to get the door handle off. It pops off, pops out, and then there's a screw in it. Okay, so I'm gonna give Jacob a quick hand here. It'll pop out, and then you just pull it away and swing it to the side a little bit. There you go. And is Torx here?
You know what Torx bit it is?
One of those.
One of these.
Pull it out all the way. Flip it around. It's one of them. Or is it working? You know, these multi-screwdrivers, they give you these tips that are so short that half the time they won't go in. So I've got Torx tips down here. So, okay, well, he'll be on it, and we'll have the finished report in a while. And Jacob finished installing the new mirrors for me. They work nice. Much better vision. They stand off from the truck farther, and They're going to be real nice for when I get the truck camper on. You can see right there, looking through the mirror at the driver's seat in the center. So very cool. Much better. And free. All I got to do is buy them a set of impact socket sets. Cheap deal.
Remember, they're your emails.